products, MVP. MVP allows you to test the solution on a small scale with the benefit of handling realistic feedback. Implementing the suggestions from focus groups and surveys increases the solution's effectiveness and decrease any potential issues early on. Gathering feedback in the earlier stages of creating a product or service enables fine-tuning before the full development process starts. This saves significant time and resources in the longer term. Step 6. Launch and monitor the solution. After testing a product or service to ensure that it solves the market gap, it's time to launch the solution. However, it's important to monitor the product or service's success to ensure the continue. Add relevance and success in the market. Consider collecting data that includes sales numbers, website analytics, and customer feedback. This information will help identify areas for future improvement. T&E will provide information for potential solutions. For monitoring purposes, establish weekly and even monthly goals to evaluate performance towards the overarching objectives. This helps build a more in-depth perspective of the product or service's position in the market. Step 7. Refine and expand. Once a product or service has launched in the market, it is crucial to continue refining and expanding the solution. This can be achieved by collecting and analyzing customer feedback, monitoring industry trends, and making changes to improve the product or service's quality. Continuous improvement demonstrates a commitment to innovation and evolving the solution to better serve the target market. It also ensures that the product or service maintains a competitive edge in the industry. Expanding the solution can also be an important step in growing the business. This can mean expanding the solution to different geographic regions or developing complementary products or services to increase the revenue stream. Step 8. Stay ahead of emerging trends. Market gaps can rapidly evolve in industries, and it's essential to stay aware of emerging trends. Successful entrepreneurs must stay ahead of the curve in their industry and always be looking out for new opportunities that could fill gaps in the market. To stay ahead, entrepreneurs must continue to conduct research and maintain industry knowledge to recognize any shifts in market trends. This knowledge will help entrepreneurs make informed decisions that will keep them ahead of the competition. Innovation and adaptation are key to success in any industry. Identifying market gaps is essential to pinpoint strengths and weaknesses in the marketplace, helping entrepreneurs develop and launch solutions that meet consumer demand. By following the steps outlined in this article, entrepreneurs can create unique and successful solutions that meet consumers' expectations, staying relevant in the industry. Market gaps are not always easy to identify, but with proper research and analysis, entrepreneurs can find and fill them. One important aspect to consider is the ever-changing landscape of the industry. Consumer needs and preferences can shift regularly, which means entrepreneurs must stay vigilant in tracking emerging trends and market gaps. Furthermore, entrepreneurs must put themselves in the shoes of their target market. Being able to identify the pain points of consumers is critical in determining the right solution. By carefully considering the needs and expectations of the target market, entrepreneurs can create a product or service that resonates with customers. Identifying and filling market gaps can be a challenging yet rewarding task for any entrepreneur. It requires a deep understanding of the industry and target market, as well as the ability to innovate. E. And adapt to changing trends and consumer preferences.